This is DJ JenZen, the AromaRicePot version. The recovery and rest mode. This is what we do. Yes, this rice pot has been through a lot. You can tell it's been Filipino-fied. Okay, so today we are making this is miso base with handashi, the 365 from Whole Foods miso, white miso, as a base for these spaghetti noodles that we'll put in. We're gonna make vegan. The request is vegan garlic spaghetti noodles with spaghetti sauce and Parmesan cheese. So you'll see that today in the wonderful AromaRicePot. All right, we're at the Aroma. Hashtag SmellChat. You're here, you're in the frequency. This channel is not for everyone, spelled W-O-N. Here we do things differently. Imagine the grid is down. Imagine the grid is down. You don't have access to your regular electricity on the grid, and you're on a solar panel or a generator, and you only have one plug, and you only have one pot, and it's the end of the world, like Book of Eli. Just like Alcatraz movie is now Trump in San Francisco wanting to reopen Alcatraz. We'll get there another day. All right, so the water is boiling. We have our white miso mix with our handashi. I'm looking for a fork. Water is boiling. We could cut to the wonderful air fryer that I use. Everything is off the grid. Chef man, like Pac-Man. Put here, and then we go. This is welcome to my world. Kimono Mom. This is all I have left of Kimono Mom. So we just pretend every time we make something that we put Kimono Mom in. That's my favorite sauce. You can put Kimono Mom everywhere. M-O-M. Upside down is wow. That's sad. Mom is wow. That's a no-no. Now, omit. Now you won. All right. Yes, we are off the grid cooking. Open. This bottle and put in Kimono Mom. Kimono Mom coming through. Happy Mother's Day to you. Mom Day is every day, not just on Sunday, not just one day. In 1 month, don't you see? That's off the top, baby, nothing but net. All right, so we put Kimono Mom in power. Today is my son's birthday. He is 28 years old. So we'll sing happy birthday while the pot boils. Nano, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nano. Happy birthday to you. Da-na-na-na-na-na. It's your birthday. Da-na-na-na-na-na. It's my birthday too. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nano. So in Nano's day, when he partied back in the day in San Francisco State Broadcasting, he was partying with A$AP Mob, A$AP Rocky, A$AP Yams. What's your favorite A$AP Rocky song? Mine is Praise the Lord. His is LSD. As every college student is at that time. And so this day May 9th is honoring and contributing all that Nano has gone through in his life. And I will be playing on DJ JenZen all of his favorite artists and songs. So with the hackathon day, game 3 hackathon popcorn challenge post. So it doesn't make sense to you. That's okay. You gotta have the secret sauce. All right, the noodles are making. How do you test that a spaghetti noodle's ready? Fun fact, you throw it on the wall. When it sticks, it's ready. All right, Nano's favorite ASAP Rocky, ASAP Mob songs. ASAP Yams, Rest Easy, Billie Eilish. When he's gaming, Pokemon Girl. Nice. Social media. Steve Jobs' daughter. Strongly identifies with Kanye and everything that he's been through. My son loves fashion. He went to Parsons School of Design. He makes one-of-a-kind creations and makes music, beats. He went to Galileo School in Oakland. During the summer, I got him a scholarship, and he learned how to code video games and made his own video game. So I initially created C for Good Foundation for him, so he could have a peer group of peers to talk to and create with. Still building it now. We're coding now in the hackathon for his birthday in honor of Nano. Always doing something big for his birthday. You survived, son, and I'm proud of you. You're alive and you made it. And I'm proud of you and I'm here for you. And we make all of this in honor of your obstacles and struggles, and for everyone else that's going through mental illness challenges, product of 7 generations of programming and the 5 closest people around you. And I haven't seen my son for since Drake's concert at Chase is when I saw everybody last. Okay, we have now drained the noodles and we're part of making the noodle base. So we take the miso handashi noodles and we save the sauce in the previous spaghetti bottle that we used. This is the second batch we're making. So we recycle the base and lay the spaghetti down. So we have our first set of noodles. To infinity and beyond. Then we're going to use the requested Beyond stack for the plant-based patties. Okay, once you've done the meatball effect for the meatless plant-based patties, this is what your layered layered looks like. So we have the spaghetti noodles with the base with the handashi and the white miso, and then we have stacked on top the Beyond plant-based patty crumbles. It's every day at Whole Foods. All right, then we're gonna, this is all bought by food stamps. Sprinkle it. Brought to you by EBT. This is what you can make. Dun, dun, dun. I love going to Whole Foods, and when I used to eat fish, I eat vegetables and vegan now for fun. But I will get the smoked salmon behind the counter. In the prepared already meat section, they have all kinds of smoked salmon, teriyaki, pepper, habanero, sweet. It's delicious over there. And different, Malibu Whole Foods does not have it. San Francisco has it. Whole Foods, there's different, Fremont Whole Foods has it. There's different Whole Foods that has the smoked salmon cutlets that are already made that are camper friendly, glamping friendly. They're delicious. And feed them to the cats, feed them to the dogs, feed them to the horses, feed them to yourself. Good for everyone. Okay, so we put the onion powder. Da, 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 da. Okay, this onion. Up next is onion butter. This is another layer. What warriors, that's a trivia now, pre-game press. What warriors player loves Taylor Swift? And now it's time for the garlic. Now you can get this garlic anywhere. I got this garlic at the Dollar Tree, which is not $1 anymore, it's $1.25, and you can get garlic anywhere. All right, this is what your garlic looks like on top. And now it's time for Momofuku. I prefer Tamari. You're off the hook like Mama. That's what I say, cause I'm cheesy all day. Then you're gonna layer this on top. Once you have done all those steps, your finished product will look like this. And you're now ready to air fry for 15 minutes in your chef pan. Put it in here, load it in, lock it up, shut it down. I know it's, well, let's clean that right now. And we'll give it 15 minutes. And imagine what 15 minutes could do. While we're letting that bake, what is your favorite Kanye West song? My go-to is Stronger. I always listen to it before interviews. I don't work for anybody else anymore. When I did. And his favorite song, Through the Wire. I always say Through the Wire, right? All right, and while we're cooking and waiting for our magical vegan garlic noodle spaghetti sauce, Parmesan cheesy, so cheesy, we watch Naruto and smoke.
速いリード標準スピードとほぼ同じだ。そして僕の体術のイメージと重なる。それが砂の鎧か。
What are you smoking on right now? What are you eating? What are you cooking? How are you cooking off the grid? What solar panels are you using? What generator are you using? What do you prefer?
Thank you, na.
How are you connecting to the grid without the grid? One more, please. Got 15 minutes. What's your favorite Kanye West song? Favorite ASAP Mob, ASAP Yams, ASAP Rocky, ASAP Ferg song? Billie Eilish song? Favorite songs? This is where SmellChat would come in handy right now. The aroma is epic. Also, the request is for crispy noodles, so we'll bake it again for another 15. Here, spelled H-E-A-R. Well, you're tuned into the frequency. This is the vegan garlic spaghetti to infinity and beyond. Crispy noodle request. We're playing Smell Chat right now. We've activated DAC stealth mode. You don't know what that is? Well, you haven't landed to this channel yet to explain that. The Timberwolves love Avengers. The Warriors love DC Comics. DAC mode is Avengers in the middle and DNC on both ends. We squash them. Alright, so the post is going to have all of Nano's favorite songs, artists. I'll pick his 12 favorite songs, artists perhaps, or the ones that we listen to when he's going through things and how we reconnect and reset. And I'm not going to tag anybody. I'm going to Smell Chat Experiencer the music waves on the internet and see who's listening live. All right, then we put it in a bowl. This is request number 2, so this bowl is from batch number 1, spelled W-O-N, and now you won. And now we're gonna put this into that. You could give it this, and you can give it that. As an additional bonus, you could layer it parfait style, not too much, with this, because if you put too much, it gets too salty, but this is also a fan favorite. All right, once you have put the spaghetti a la feast into the Land O'Lakes or your recycled bowl or your bowl of choice, then you top it with everyday Parmesan cheese. That's all brought to you by EBT. Imagine what Buck would do. And then, with me and Nano be going to dinner for his birthday, we go to Santone. And then Mana across the street, like both. House of Prime Rib because he still eats meat. And our lunch would be the Marina Submarine. Dessert would be Mitchell's Ice Cream. And probably go to a movie. Would be in LA, be Porto's, Bossa Nova. And all the secret places he likes to go to that he don't like to say or tell anybody about. I would probably take him to the mountain on the top and the beach in Malibu, across from the RV center, RV park on top. I never stayed on the RV park on the top. I just stayed across the street at the beach. Hashtag van life. And then yeah, New York. Anyways, oh, I did see the sunrise in Harlem. That was pretty cool. Trivia question: what restaurant has the corkscrew ceiling? That's pretty cool. And One Oak is closed. I like Artichoke Joe's Pizza. That's pretty cool.